come and stare at us. Blow bubbles with their gum, take photographs of fun, have fun. They'll name a city after us, and later say it's all our fault. Then they'll give us a talking to, then they'll give us a talking to, 'cause they've got years of experience. Living in a den of thieves, rummaging for answers in the pages. Living in a den of thieves, and it's contagious, and it's contagious, and it's contagious, and it's contagious. We wear our scarves just like the news, but not 'cause we want eternal sleep. And though our parts are slightly used, new ones are slave labor you can keep. Living in a den of thieves, rummaging for answers in the pages.
Will take me right to the ground. And I'll be laughing the whole way down. With thunder beneath us, all I want to feel is Catching up in with the town, yeah. Proud of facing close it all. Ooh, when he asked her why, he said, why not? Used to call it dough face. Funny night.
Happy lately, thinking about the good things to come. And I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world as one. And I believe it could be someday it's going to come. 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, there rides the peace train. Oh, peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Now I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come. And I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, peace train sounding louder, ride on the peace train.